pâte de bolognese. Ingredients: spaghetti, onion, tomato, salt, oil, pepper, ground loaf, garlic. Step 1. Chop the onion and the garlic, paprika, tomatoes, salt, and cook in oil until it adds softened. 2. Add ground beef and over high heat. 3. Add pepper and water. Mix and cook over low heat for 30 minutes or sauce chicken stir squeeze honey. 4. Cook the parts according to the packet instructions. Then do not drain it out tongues to pass indirect to the dishes. 5. Sprinkle the Parmesan cheese over the pasta and the sauce. Thank you.